Installing a standby generator offers great peace of mind, but maintaining your equipment is crucial to protect your investment. That's why Powers Guaranteed Services offers a variety of planned maintenance agreements.
A lot of customers like to sign up for our programs because it allows them to just not have to worry about it and everything is dealt with through us.
We're going to check your battery, and if there's anything wrong with the generator, we're going to get it back up and running for you.
If you purchase our remote monitoring program, you can also add on our Never Without Oil and Never Without Power guarantees, so you'll never have to worry about backup power during the next outage.
Our Never Without Oil is we'll come out and we'll stick a monitor on your generator, and we can monitor it from the shop. If your generator has been running for 12 hours straight, you don't have to call us, you don't have to text us. We will have a technician out to your house to come out to check your engine oil. We have a monitor on your generator. If your generator fails, we will have a technician out, and we're going to make sure that you are never without power.
We've had power outages since I've had it in. I'll tell you what, in about 3 seconds, the generator kicks on. I do have a maintenance plan, so they come once a year and do a maintenance on that. They change the oil, well worth it. I have never seen such a kind-hearted group of guys that worked on that generator. The difference is Powers cares.
Even if you already have a generator installed, if you're ready for worry-free standby power, contact Powers Guaranteed Services today and learn which maintenance plan is right for you.